Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty fried tilapia fish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you'll need fish. I'm going to use red tilapia fish, or you can use any fish you prefer. I'll slightly cut the fish so that the spices can blend in well. You'll also need 1 lime, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly you're going to need ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons. So the first step, you're going to add the spices, which is chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and black pepper. Then squeeze 1 lime to add an extra amazing taste to the fish. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. Make sure you mix the spices very well, don't miss any spots. The reason why we slightly cut the fish is because we want the spices to blend in well in the fish. And once the fish is well soaked with the spices, we're going to cover the fish with a foil and put in the fridge for 3 hours or more so that the spices can blend in well. And after 3 hours, we're going to fry our fish. Put some oil on a pan and let the oil to heat up before putting the fish in the pan. Once the oil is hot, dip in the fish slowly by slowly and cook the fish for about 3 to 6 minutes depending on the thickness of the fish. Make sure when you're turning the fish, you turn the fish slowly to avoid the fish from mashing out. When the fish is cooked on one side, flip on the other side and let it cook for another 3 to 6 minutes till well cooked. Once your fish is well fried and has a nice color like this, then your fish is ready. Remove from the oil and place on a plate. And my fried tilapia fish is ready. As you can see in the video, this is so delicious. You can eat along with ugali, rice or anything that you like and enjoy your fried tilapia fish. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.